बाद में पता चला कि बाल पे सर तो ब्लॉन्ड है, छाती के बाल ब्लैक है।
अच्छा अब
Just bounce to this.
give it up for Sunan Khan, Sunil Shetty and Pallavi as well. I'll hold the remote. How are you? Pallavi, you wanted to say a big thank you to Salman, right?
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Thank you for calling me here.
Thank you very much for coming.
This is ये मेरे काम की चीज है।
Thank you. We all of us are really excited, and thank you to Sunil, Adarsh, and everybody at Brilliant Living. Tata Sky team here is very excited to launch Active Fitness with Brilliant Living.
Superb. So before we chat, I'd like to call India's only celebrity fitness army for a photo op. The fitness army, please come back on stage along with Shifuji and Bakar, who's pioneered indoor cycling in India. Give it up for all of them, ladies and gentlemen. All right, thank you so much.
They're not trainers, it's a whole army.
Of course, of course. India's only celebrity fitness army. Salman, Anna was telling me the other day, he says year after year, your fitness levels go to another zone. You've been so passionate about fitness. You're born with fitness. When did it start?
Started a very long time ago. Started with sports in school. And then I needed to put on some weight for movies and to model. Full-grown man, I used to weigh what? 48 kilos. So the whole journey was earlier till about 5 years ago to how to increase the weight and how to look bigger. Now the journey is how to decrease the weight. So it's always going to happen. And the older you get, the more difficult it gets. But you just have to keep at it. And that's what we all are doing. Just signed this film, Sultan, where I am like a wrestler who goes into MMA. So now that's a different league only of fitness. I'll have to be in that. So just started training. So knees hurting, back hurting, head hurting, everything hurting. So it's just been 4 or 5 days, but we'll get there. It pains, it hurts. Like you all said, no pain, no gain. That's what being fit is all about. And I think the men in the film industry today, are like the fittest. Even athletes, they stop at the age of 34, 35, and then once they stop, they don't go back to their fitness routine. So they put on weight because those calories that were burnt when they were playing, they don't do that anymore. But in our field, we have to be fit. So from action to dancing to fighting to riding to running to everything we've got to do ourselves. So our fitness level at our ages, I think is a lot more than anybody else right now. And I'll tell you something. I keep on thinking of different things, how to give back. How to keep on giving back to all the fans who have, seen us, who've paid money to, they sold their books, they've bunked school, and they've literally removed their pocket money and they've, gone and watched our movies. So I always find, something or the other, how to give it back. This is something I'm so envious and so jealous of that how did I not think of this?
So sweet. So if it's not you, it's
amazing.
me. It's the same thing.
The same thing.
It's the same
thing.
I'm
So
sure
amazing.
You're as happy.
It is so amazing. I absolutely, when he told me this, that he was doing this, I said, Allah, this is so amazing. मतलब कि हर चीज़ फोकट में हो रहा है यार ये तो. So you don't have to, go to a gym. You don't have to have a personal trainer. आप यहाँ पर आ जाओ. And from here, whatever you need to know, from fitness to diet to anything, even if you have an injury, how to solve that, So this is like the best platform for fitness ever. And I'm so happy that you did it. I'm so happy.
You know, your bond that you share with Anna is also based on a lot of emotional aspects as well. The emotional connection with fitness, has it made your bond stronger over the years?
That was a bouncer to both of us.
Yeah, you've been guys who've been
Yes,
emotional.
yes.
Yeah.
yeah.
अन्ना मैंने आपको सेंटी होते हुए देखा है यार, इसलिए मैंने बोल दिया.
That fitness ka emotion bond is so strong between us.
All right, Anna, we're going to throw it to the media right now, and they can ask questions to our dignitaries on stage. You just have to lift up your hand, shoot your questions, and our friends will answer it on stage. All right, question please.
Sohail is omnipresent. Wherever you go, he's... I believe in the basic. One is cardio, one is stretching, and one is weight training. And then you don't have weights, then you use your body weight, freehand. This is the best form of training to keep fit. And then from there, you know, there's self-defense, and then there's athletics kind of fitness, and new things have come out. But I think all the stuff that's come out right now is for somebody who's not been doing it since a child, you know, it's really bad. So I won't name the kind of the new things, but anything which is like of a lot of exertion and stuff like that, suddenly that quick weight loss or you know want to get into shape quickly will always damage you. So you need to do this slowly and gradually. सुनाई दे रहा है. You know, he's the only one who has kept the distance between the hero and the fan. You know, कि एक आदमी था इतने साल 20-25 साल पहले. I think he's 70 plus right now, and he is in 10 times better shape than any one of us could be. So the amount of discipline and the amount of hard work that goes into it, we know. So hats off and salute.
But here also spoken about a possibility of you and him doing a movie together. So
we're here for active fitness, and I'm sure even he would believe in active fitness.
I'm sure Sylvester Stallone would be. Give it up for that. All right, next question.
So Salman, everybody just talked about you that you are the fittest and you are the icon of the fitness today, and everybody is just watching you as a man who just touches everything which becomes the goal. So do you think that you are a Midas touch man today?
It is not easy. You have to work towards it. You have to work really hard. So no, there's nothing as Midas touch you. I think those many hours of practice for anything will get you that result, that dedication, that sincerity. And I'm not very dedicated, I'm not very sincere. My genes help me in this. So I kind of abuse. I mean, I just tweeted a picture of my father and me and Sohail. My dad is 78, I think 79, about 4 months ago. You very clearly see, you know, एक हल्का 4 pack. अब वो 4 pack पीने के बाद 4 pack है.
I know who went to us.
At 78, तो we feel कि ये यहाँ तक तो खींच ही लेंगे भाई. So we also push it a little bit. But till the time, this is, I believe, till the time the belt is ऐसी ना, straight. जहाँ belt ऐसा हो गया ना, then you need to start working out. So 4 pack, flat stomach is benchmark. जहाँ 4 से थोड़ा सा कम होने शुरू होता है ना, that's the right time to get back into the gym and start working out hard. Because once you put on that weight, then it gets really, really difficult for anybody. और काय को उतनी मेहनत करो, you know, start slightly earlier.
हाय सलमान, आलोक मेरा सवाल आपसे था कि जिस दिन आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर पाते हैं उस टाइम क्या होता है माइंडसेट की? मान लीजिए 2 दिन हो गया,
कोई खास रीजन होता होगा
और उसकी पूर्ति के लिए फिर क्या करते हैं?
सर अगर नहीं होता एक दिन तो make sure कि next day I compensate for it. जैसे कि आज एक body part छूट गया और कल मुझे सुबह को जैसे कि आज legs छूटा है, फिर सुबह को फिर कल मेरा chest and tricep है, तो फिर मैं सुबह को legs मार के निकल जाऊँगा, फिर रात को shooting के बाद आके chest and tricep मारूँगा.
Okay, अन्ना मेरा सवाल आपसे है, if you can hear me. Salman is the fittest person in the industry. Everyone knows about him. कितने अच्छे दोस्त हैं अन्ना सलमान, ये जानना चाहूँगा आपसे. You know,
but I think right now everyone is really fit in the industry. Everyone is really fit.
Yeah, yes, but you know, there's always a body that doesn't stay constant through the entire.
Very difficult it gets, yeah.
It is difficult, and that's why I say you are the best, because I've seen the others go sway with every film and with every season.
I have no choice. Every film I have to remove my shirt towards the climax, so I have no choice. As soon as I let it go, and then एक महीना बाकी है भाई shirt निकालना, and then back on. And I have to work harder because I don't diet, which is like the worst thing. You know, I'll have my food, you know, ghar ka khana. So I'll not go into the steam, I'll not go into the boil, I won't do any of this stuff. I would rather go to the gym and put that half an hour, 1 hour extra in the gym than, and I will not also overtly eat, ke taste ke liye. Jitna khana hai, utna hi khaunga main, you know. It's quite a bit. And quite a few times. But my body needs that. So I will not go into steamed and boiled and all that stuff. So it gets a little more tiring for me in the gym.
Okay,
सलमान आपने ही शर्टलेस का जो ट्रेंड था वो अन्ना ने भी जिक्र किया था पहले कि आपने ये ट्रेंड सेट किया था. आपके अलावा और कोई भी शर्टलेस बेहतर नहीं लगता, तो इसकी क्या खास वजह है? ये आपने ये ट्रेंड शुरू किया था, इवन अन्ना ने भी पहले एक जगह में.
नहीं, बहुत सारे लोग थे मेरे से पहले. आई थिंक दारा सिंह जी थे उसके. नहीं, सीरियसली. देन मिथुंदा came in. Then धर्म जी, फिर बहुत सारे. रंजीत साहब, स्टारडस्ट का कवर. Hello, amazing. He looked in the Stardust ka cover.
Sir, Sonu, we've asked your question about.
Yeah, but that was by mistake in O Jaane Jaana. वो मैंने प्यार किया वगैरह में था. फिर एक पिक्चर हमने की सूर्यवंशी, जिसमें बाद में पता चला कि उस वक्त वीडियो असिस्ट नहीं हुआ करते थे. तो बाद में पता चला कि बाल पे सर तो ब्लॉन्ड है, छाती के बाल ब्लैक है.
अच्छा, आप सवाल पूछ लीजिए पीछे. हाँ,
हेलो.
अच्छा,
हेलो.
हेलो. अच्छा, रुक जाओ.
हेलो.
सर.
So when we saw the whole film, ऐसे कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ मैच नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ सर, पूछिए सर.
Salman, do you believe that if you have a good body, then show it off? Like, this is what you believe?
It depends on how you show it off.
The way you
depends,
show it off.
Depends on where. अब emotional scene कर रहे हो और आप body दिखा रहे हो, that doesn't make any sense. अच्छा, ओ जाने जाना, that was by mistake. So I just started training at that point. Once again, so the previous जो schedule के कपड़े थे didn't fit. वैसा like a blouse type हो गया था, like very tight. So by that time, the dress designer would go back to Bombay and get the clothes. शाम हो जाती, एक दिन waste हो जाता. So I said, as it is, we are not shooting right now. 3-4 shot ले ले सोहेल. Bare chested case, you're mad, bhai, how can you do this? Bare chested गाना. तो इसे वो हेडफोन डाल दिया अपन ने, वो माइकल जैक्सन टाइप का वो उस वक्त नया नया निकला था. फिर एक गिटार आ गया हाथ. तो इसे यार, this is looking fine, so let's go ahead with this. So that was by default. अगर वो कपड़े फिट हो जाते तो वो गाना bare chested देखने को मिलता नहीं.
और उसी गाने की वजह से आज भी मेरा बेटा वो गाने का बहुत बड़ा फैन था. आज भी आधे टाइम शर्ट नहीं पहनता उसी गाने के चक्कर में. Ahan never wears a shirt. He used to always keep doing that number.
सुल्तान के बाद पैंट भी पहनना छोड़ देंगे लोग.
All right, sir, you've been waiting, sir.
Thank you.
Go for it.
Good evening, sirs, lady, and the fitness trainers. It's a very general query that in life sometimes it comes that you work very hard on it and you may have to leave it. Is there any way out where you can keep up little bit of what you had?
Sir, what I do is I only do that much that till the time I come to your age, I'll be able to do it. I will never do anything which later on in life I would not be able to do.
But that means for individual people it is different. Every genetic body is different, so
It's
everyone
different.
has to know their limits, keep
That
so
is why these boys are here, sir.
and then they can stop
Yeah,
at any
they
time.
can stop.
Thank you so much.
अन्ना मेरा सवाल आपसे है. सलमान is the fittest person in the industry. Everyone knows about it. कितने अच्छे दोस्त है सलमान, वो मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा. वो भी लोग जानते हैं लेकिन आपकी जबान नहीं जानना
क्या
चाहूंगा.
सवाल लेकर आए सर पीछे से एकदम.
अन्ना बताइए. और वो यहाँ मौजूद हैं और आपने कहा this is the happiest day of my life.
I think we've been friends. I think, if this works for you, probably the only friend that I had from the industry when I got married was Bhai. He was the only one. He and Sohail were the only two who were there for my wedding. And I got married the year my film released. You know, my wife was unsure that once I get into the industry, there may be trouble. So we tied the knot that very year. So Bhai was very much there, and I've known him much before that also. So it's been a beautiful journey.
अन्ना थोड़े दिन पहले आपने कहा कि आतिया के बाद अपने बेटे की अगर बात करते हैं लॉन्च करने की तो आप जिम्मेदारी सलमान पे छोड़ना चाहेंगे. थोड़े दिन पहले आपने कहा था. सलमान क्या आप उस जिम्मेदारी के लिए भी तैयार हैं?
So ले ली सर.
कब तक?
Of course, और कोई question?
Salman, my question is to you.
On the left side, the gentleman on the front row.
Here.
Where? Okay.
Straight.
Yeah, there you go.
Sir, my question is to both of you all. Sir, same question goes to both of you all. अभी सबसे ज़्यादा को ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली आप दोनों की वो है आमिर खान, because you have put on more than 40 kgs for Dangal and he has almost finished shooting. So what all tips would you like to give it to Amir?
Sir, Amir Khan has got a good trainer.
Sorry, sir?
Amir Khan right now has got a good trainer. Rakesh, my guy, is training Amir, so it's fine.
All right, next question. The gentleman here, sir.
No, Amir is very dedicated, so he will be able to manage it. Otherwise, it's not very easy. Trust me, it's not easy at all.
हाँ सर, आपकी आवाज पहुंचेगी सर, आप पूछ लीजिए.
It's not a channel, it's a service. It's exclusively active fitness service. It's getting launched on 5th October.
Yeah, you saw a 2-minute film, yeah. Now don't say you didn't see
इससे
it, yeah.
कि ये concept लेके आए हैं, हर चीज को साथ में लेके आए, इससे बड़ा क्या होगा?
I guess putting the best that there is in the country on one platform and also finding new talent from all over the country. I think every nook and corner of India has something special to offer in the form of nutrition, in the form of forms of fitness, training. So I think we also want to explore that and make sure that we get new young talent to support the brilliant team that we have here.
You know, trainers को आज तक के कभी इतनी respect नहीं मिली है. You know, now the respect for the trainer is going to be like right there.
We'd like to call Anna the mentor for active fitness.
A lot of people can learn from here and also start their own training.
सलमान आपके सामने.
हाँ पूछे सर.
सलमान.
Apart from Yasmin.
अभी आपके आने से पहले सुनील शेट्टी ने कहा कि हम चाहते हैं कि स्वच्छ भारत अभियान की तरह स्वस्थ भारत अभियान जैसी भी कोई एक मुहिम चालू होनी चाहिए. तो आप पीएम मोदी के काफी करीबी भी माने जाते हैं.
एक्टिव फिटनेस से जुड़ा हुआ ये सवाल.
जी बिल्कुल, एक्टिव फिटनेस, फिट इंडिया,
फिट
स्वस्थ भारत. बिल्कुल. तो आप पीएम मोदी के काफी करीबी भी माने जाते हैं. तो आप ऐसी कोई मुहिम पीएम मोदी के सामने करना चाहेंगे जिससे कि स्वस्थ भारत जैसे अभियान भी.
कहाँ पे ये सवाल लेके जा रहे हो सर?
Hi, Salman.
Thank you, sir. But anyways, ma'am.
Salman, आपने.
Good evening, everyone.
सर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा सर. ये यहाँ पास
My question is for Pallavi.
Dada, we love you. All right, question.
Hi, my question is for Pallavi. Pallavi, just want to know what is the price for this service, Active Fitness, on Tata Sky platform?
It's only 59 rupees a month. That's it. And you have access to the
पहला
best of
subscriber.
पहला
subscriber. आजकल मनी मार्केट टाइट चल रहा है.
objective really was to take it to the masses, so to every nook and corner of the country. So it's extremely reasonable.
Pallavi ma'am, one question. I can't wake up early in the morning. So do I have to wake up to avail this service in the morning?
सर नहीं ये genuine सवाल है सर. अच्छा एक सुनो. Let her answer.
Actually, yeah. No, that's true for most of us, and that's the USP of the service, that you can switch on the TV at any point in time, whenever you have 10 minutes, 20 minutes. It's extremely flexible. You can choose and you can choose what you want to, see. So, I mean, that's the whole idea of the service.
That's nice.
So Anna, what are you going to charge for this?
What am I going to charge
No,
for?
no, not you. I mean the subscriber, when he comes
Yeah.
onto this, is it free or is there some...
59.
50, just 59
59
rupees?
a month, yeah.
59 a month.
Absolutely.
And you can come on and you can get your whole...
Whole workout whenever you want, record it in playback and train along with the trainers.
That's damn good. And suppose if there's somebody who cannot wake up in the morning?
Then in the afternoon you can see the same
It's
show.
24/7 in English and Hindi.
Wow. Whoa.
तो अपने लिए तो ये बराबर है. But suppose somebody wants to work out at 4:30 in the morning, then before going to sleep.
You can do that as well.
Because time difference होगा ना? Because it's not only India, right? It's only India right now.
India, yeah.
Oh. So you're not going to do like overseas and stuff like that?
No.
Or you're going to do that later? Oh, poor overseas people. But don't worry, आएगा. बहुत जल्द आएगा.
So Salman, do you want to give your subscription fee now itself? And, 59 rupees.
I think you need to give your 59 first.
Sir, आपके और मेरे साइड से दोनों sir. You can't give it here.
You can give it check or cash. How does?
So we don't take cash.
No.
It is only through
Sir,
your
मैं thank you.
connection.
मैं टेंशन में था. अरे sir, लौटा तो दो. Sir, घर जाने बस के पैसे मेरे.
No, seriously. So there's no cash. Then how do you?
You can recharge your Tata Sky account and just get debited from the balance. So it's very convenient. So all that
There's
you need
nothing
to
to do. Just recharge your Tata Sky account and then you
Yes.
come onto this.
Yes, so anything on Tata Sky, so you just have to recharge the account and ask for this service. We will be advertising from 5th a number that you can call, and the service will be attached to your subscription, and 59 rupees would be deducted from your account. So that's about it.
So if somebody is there and he wants to join for a month, so that means in a month, by that time you are done with this one. You're done with 30 days. तो आपके हर body part 3-4 बार हो जाता
No, so it
workout.
continues, right? You
So-
can continue paying every month. So once you charge, it will be forever. I mean, till you decide to stop. And why would you? When you're getting access to such rich content and the experts, you wouldn't. So the way the service works is you ask for it, and then it will get deducted from your.
No, for example, for example, I want to train, say, with Abbas, huh? And then I've taken Abbas's knowledge in 1 month. So now I've kept that aside. Now I want to go with Yasmin.
Absolutely.
So every month you can.
Every month you can do it in the same month also. You can train with all of them in the same month. It's a complete, yeah.
So the way, yeah.
Huh?
So every day is devoted to a particular part of your body, Monday to Friday. So upper body, strengthening, lower body, etc. And within the day, you have various aspects like yoga, Pilates, self-defense.
No. So this is a set format.
A set
So say suppose you're doing legs, but somebody else is doing say back, then.
So you have that too. It's complete. Every body part is divided.
Okay.
Say Mondays is going to be lower body.
Okay.
So Monday, all workouts through the day will concentrate on the lower body.
That's what I'm saying.
Tuesday would be upper body.
That's what I'm saying.
the
But
way
if
it works.
Monday somebody has this.
You can record it in.
You can record that and keep it. Okay. Okay. So every time one of these guys are going to, all of them going to work out, send their program, and every time the workout is going to be different as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's dynamic.
Yeah,
yes.
absolutely. Absolutely. And then, shows keep changing, formats keep changing, training keeps changing.
And every weekend there will also be a summary, and the thing is that because it's a 30-minute module and it plays 24/7, so there will be constant reminder of the content to the customer as well.
Absolutely.
No, for example, now you've trained them, and you see the best result in say 5 people, and they have picked up everything. What happens with those 5 people? You say, "Ye in all these 100,000, 200,000, or 500,000 people, whoever join, I think you got 15 million subscribers already. Huh? Close to. So, huh? Yeah, Tata Sky. So, if you find the best from there, is there anything that you're going to do?
We're working on that. We're working on that. Definitely working on that. Because if it's result oriented, probably that'll help us so much more. Which means the service is working and you know, it's getting results. Probably if they're good enough, they might end up on our training board you know, a year down the line. That's why we said we're looking for people from, you know, from the interiors of the country, because there's so much talent in India and so much when it comes to fitness. I definitely feel our trainers, like you very well said, haven't got the, you know, credit that they deserve, because they're as good or better than you know, most people in the world probably.
No, they are much better than any.
Wow, give it up for them.
Any more questions?
You really want to take more questions? Okay, there we go. आइए सर, रेड टी शर्ट आप खड़े हो जाइए सर, आपकी आवाज आ जाएगी यहाँ तक. हाय.
ऐसा फॉर्मेलिटी था, ऐसा ही पूछा मैंने. लेकिन आप पूछ लो.
एक पूछ ही लो आप.
Hi Salman, I want to know your tip for people who.
I don't want to tell you my tip for people right now.
Okay. People who start fitness with a lot of enthusiasm.